say purple block. 3.1 integers and number lines. We're comparing, we're ordering, we're adding, we're subtracting using number lines, yes?
Yes.
An integer is a whole number or the... Well, that's not very good. We're going to take a little bit long video. An integer is a whole number or the...
Opposite of a whole number.
All right. Positive numbers are bigger than what?
0.
Negative numbers are smaller than what?
0.
Okay. And then inequalities have two different symbols. This symbol means... This symbol means... What are these things right here?
Toes.
And if a less than symbol is standing on its toes, and then it decides to stop standing on its toes, would it look like this then?
Yes.
Which also looks like what?
L.
The L in less than, right?
Yes.
So the less than symbol is an L standing on its toes, yeah?
Yes.
Good, okay. Write up what each expression means. So you guys, I know you know how to do these, right? But these words that I underline, what do we call those kind of words?
Keywords.
Say that again.
Keywords.
Keywords tell us if the number is going to be either a positive or a...
Negative number.
Nice. If I go this way on the number line, which way am I going? What's happening to my numbers when I go this way?
They're getting bigger.
What happens to my numbers if I'm going this way?
They're getting smaller.
If I asked you to plot -2 on a number line, I'm sorry, yeah, if I asked you to plot -2 on a number line, would you know where to put it?
Yes.
At -2, right?
Yes.
Whoa, hard. Okay, if I asked you to use a number line to add or subtract, you would first draw the number line, right?
Yes.
You then would draw the arrows, right?
Yes.
What do we put in the middle?
0.
A tick mark, right? What are these called?
Tick mark.
We have to put 0, right? And if I put 6 numbers on the right side, how many numbers do you need to put on the left side?
6.
Okay, so I have 3 plus 2 equals 5, right?
Yes.
Where do I start? Where do I start if I'm graphing this problem?
On the
I start at 3, right? Yes?
Yes.
What am I adding?
2.
How do I show that?
Bunny hop.
1 and 2, right?
Yes.
What's 3 plus 2 equal?
5.
So my bunny hop has to have at the end of it and
Arrow.
telling us that the answer is...
5.
If I subtract, which way am I going on the number line?
Left.
Left, right? Add to the right, subtract to the...
Left.
An inequality compares the value or size of two things using symbols. What's this symbol again?
Greater than.
What's this symbol again?
Less than.
It's an L standing on its tippy toes. Okay. Why is 1 less than 3?
Because 3 is bigger than 1.
3 is bigger than 1. The alligator's going to always eat the bigger number, right?
Yes.
So what's bigger, 6 or -4?
6.
So what's this symbol? It's the greater than symbol then, right? What's this symbol?
Less than.
That's an L that has tippy toes, right?
Yes.
If it falls back down, it makes an L, yes?
Yes.
We cool?